Welcome to the future of audio technology, where your sound is taken to new heights. Introducing enhance.adobe, the ultimate tool for sound enhancement, whether you are a filmmaker, podcaster, or a musician. This revolutionary software will transform your audio like never before. Welcome to the future of audio technology, where your sound is taken to new heights. Introducing enhance.adobe, the ultimate tool for sound enhancement, whether you are a filmmaker, podcaster, or a musician. This revolutionary software will transform your audio like never before.
You must be wondering how this audio is enhanced so perfectly. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this exciting video, we're thrilled to reveal revolutionary sound enhancement techniques with enhance.adobe that will completely transform your audio experience without any cost. Get ready to witness the ultimate way to revolutionize your sound quality like never before. Enhance.adobe integrates seamlessly with your favorite creative software. From Adobe Premiere Pro to Audition, you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. So why settle for mediocre audio when you can revolutionize your sound with enhance.adobe? Unlock the full potential of your recordings, impress your audience, and take your projects to the next level. Let us go the steps right away. Open podcast.adobe.com/enhance in your browser. Upload your audio file or video file. Which audio need to be enhanced? The process can take up to 10 minutes depending on the audio file. Save the file to a folder once the process completed. Your enhanced audio is ready now. Thank you for joining us and exploring the world of enhance.adobe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and tutorials. Embrace the power of sound enhancement and elevate your audio game with enhance.adobe.